Earthbondhon, Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Any question, write in the comment box. More update, please subscribe our channel. Notification to press the bell icon. How to calculate the kilowatts rating. Three-phase line. How to calculate the kilowatts rating. Formula: kilowatts equals SQRT3 multiplication I multiplication V multiplication PF division 1000. Example: SQRT3 equals 1.73. I equals 5 EP. Volt equals 440 V. Power factor equals 0.8. Kilowatts equals I don't know. 1.73 multiplication 5 multiplication 440 multiplication 0.8 division 1000. .04 Motor load power equals 3.04 kilowatts. Thanks for watching the video. Don't not forget to like and share. Please subscribe our channel.